You can please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. I don't know, so we're back at it, with this one is called Corrupt Auntie, kind of different still. Rough, but yeah. My movies, I don't know anything, is that relatable or something I can learn from? You know what I mean? So, I don't want my auntie them feel like, say, have them me and show what for. But big up for yourself and thanks again for the support of everybody out there. We just, climb over 41,000 family members and I really appreciate that. You know what I mean? That for sure say, I'm on the right track. I am on the right track. Yeah, you know what I mean? Jehovah. Well, I'm top singing in a church. Yeah, so as I said, this one is called Corrupt Auntie. I'm going to big up everybody who's a part of the movie. Me I talk about, Pinky. Me I talk about, Shanice. Me I talk about Riri. Me I talk about Marika. See me, I remember people now. Me I talk about Puppy Dan. You know what I mean? They say don't know. Big up myself too, cause they don't know anything now. But yeah, man, I don't know myself and so forth. So we definitely just drop that one if we go and see some things, cause wanted to show the episode 3s of the other stuff then, but the availability, you know what I mean, was kind of. So when I want to say, public, you drop this, and it's like, yeah, forget about certain things. No, I'm not forget it. Remember it, so I'm gonna drop it soon. So just give me a little time, you know what I mean, and then it's gonna happen, all right. So yeah, man, bless yourself again. Thanks to all of the people who, you know what I mean, mentally, spiritually, financially, keep this thing floating because trust me, it's a lot of work. I don't see it, I don't know how I'm going. Rain and fall whole time and we have to watch rain and certain things and but we're still putting in the work for you because we appreciate the attention and the support that we are all getting from you. Whether it be Public Report, whether it be Coloring Book, whether Richard Brown Films, you know what I mean? And the list goes on. But me are telling us that we appreciate it. That's why I say we are putting in the work. And thanks again, as I said, to everybody who has support the thing. I'm going to stop chatting right now. I'm going to watch it. It's called Corrupt Auntie. Watch it.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. But when you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Yeah. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you, to fix you. High up above or down below. And when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, then you'll never.
Shanice, what happened? Girl, what happened? Yeah, girl, from morning until she got in a shop and she married for right so.
You know, say, from when I tell us, no.
You want to tell me?
Say, auntie not giving no money when I have.
Which money that?
The money when I get from foreign.
Who tells you auntie get money from foreign?
Girl, I see every minute auntie I buy new clothes and new slippers.
And I buy them sometime over Miss Jen, she go and Miss
How
Jen.
can I tell you I idiot?
Girl, auntie not get no money, she get money more than no.
Mama, I tell you, and I ask you.
She not get no
so
money.
So I get too much new things from.
Miss Jen, I cannot understand. You know, auntie love walk and beg already.
I'm not begging my beg.
She don't have no money. Nobody
have
has send no
money.
money. When
From
last
morning
people
she
call
go to
me?
shop and she can't come back. A
Must
rum bar
be
she
good there
gone.
gamble for spinning
A
money.
rum bar she gone yeah, more the whole of money.
Why you don't think so she gonna gamble for spinning money and try to make more money?
Another thing can do.
Oh, you know that?
Can me see her.
Which pay attention for my CR?
You know say I have no sense.
You don't have no
and
sense.
I can't talk to you because
From
you're not
man you in a yard, so all you for CR.
Why
Okay.
me know that? So why should I get so much new things from?
Yeah, no, something of beg.
Me who my bag? Every day so. You
Every
come in
day
with a new
beg.
bag. If I'm not Gucci, a Prada. If I'm not Prada, something new.
So say I will love it with town. I should love beg.
See? You know why you're not listen to me?
When I listen to you come in and hear your foolishness.
Okay. Right now, I want to go there. So wait. No auntie that day out of gate, they say they come. But looking at she and to rum. You see me?
Why? What go my nieces?
Auntie, where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
Here I go now. You know so type bar me stop this and me say.
See, oh God. The same thing me say.
See what? God see everything. See what? Me say me stop out type bar, girl. I'm sit to my classmate them. I'm just take a little drink.
You take
buy
a little drink.
One frost.
You buy one from. So
Yeah,
auntie.
Eh?
You cook?
Oh God, you could ask that to make a thing me there so.
Where you go cook?
Me have one little 200 left in my pocket. Me have one little 200 left in my pocket. I buy one bully beef.
Auntie, what $200 can buy?
But you can't buy and bully me if you're not auntie, but give me. Me make you up and buy where you buy.
Auntie, you go on road, you go buy. What kind of Mr. drink?
Fever.
You know how much money for fever?
I beg me beg.
You see? I don't know beg. Tap in eyes. I don't know beg you beg you. I buy your time money what you get. You see you?
So what your
Auntie,
problem? What the problem?
Give me
So
money,
me
baby,
not
go
in a
make
bully
up, so
beef.
make
Me
you
no
go.
want a bully beef.
How you want?
The money here I go now. Trust the eye shop.
Chicken.
Me
Yeah.
pay for it.
Trust.
So that means you don't have it $200 auntie.
Listen now, it
Where
told
$200?
you, if they want to me can't go down in their feet. They want the people there say go and go trust it. Trust it. Tell them say,
Auntie, I don't
tell
have
them
the money.
say currency, percent, one bully beef and 2 pound of rice, $50 ketchup, one all-purpose. No, bully beef is too salt. You know, one all-purpose. One onion, one little tomato, and one scotch bonnet pepper. Tell them, Mrs. and one black pepper and $50 oil. So what?
So juice.
Auntie, you know, say.
But I get one tongue
Be
when
a
I love on the
craving,
belly.
you put the money in a be a rum. From morning I left for you, gone a rum bar. Acha.
I hope the fever that they give you a call. Come on.
I know you not like me. You look maga one. But I'm your favor here.
I have to go to her because she don't like me and me don't like one bonus. Alright, time pass me I come. Good evening.
Evelyn.
I know say my auntie send me down here to come take something. She
Where your
said,
auntie again?
you know my auntie the brown girl. And she
So much brown
magazine.
girl in Alien.
You don't know junking Karen man, my auntie.
Hey, that the Karen did not get no up to trust. I just said shop here. She just left from up here so drink fever. You know, come down the rank up.
Yeah.
And not even she buy ya, our man buy give her
Yeah,
hello, tell her go back to your
Before he take the man money and come buy some conky for it, he take the man money by fever.
I am not trusting me, very sorry.
So
Yeah, want that fear bill high
so now
and he can't pay me.
We want bully beef and 2 pound of rice. I want onion, tomato, black pepper,
Right now,
and scotch bonnet pepper.
the only thing me can give you right now are the canned beef.
They can't give me rice.
I can't beef not gonna feed for
2
time, I not have it.
pound of rice I can't give me.
It's like you don't understand, so your bill high. I don't know how
Alright,
much
give
people
me
want canned beef.
Let me go down. Cause you want wicked woman.
Me wicked.
Yes, you're
You know,
wicked.
come out of the shop. You're not bad get it. Come out. You are your jing bang. Come on.
Jing bang, they are
Come on.
people look good.
Go on. Come out of my place.
See them a sit here
Right.
and embarrass
Right.
me. Come on.
If I'm me, if you trust all that, the woman there again, he might go dead for hungry. Me never yet can call this man and get him. Yes, I'm glad you answer, Mr. Barrister. Look how long you say I come pay the bill. And I'll no me no see I'll no Monday can come yet. What? Hello! Your relative them just left my place, but they want canned beef and rice. After this tax stack things they take, and the auntie just left from up here, not too long I drink rum. Tell me how the part they go. Hello! A business me I run. You see, when me forget my money, and my money me supposed to forget, me no want hear say this and that, because when you come at me shop, me no tell you say, oh, come back tomorrow. Me give you the same time, so when you give me a deadline, me supposed to forget it that exact day. What? Hello, you need to go look work. Because when you come and take my things them, how you expect me to survive when me not make no money out of my shop? And my shop me live off I know. What you mean? What? Hey, nobody make me have to, hey. Me lodge a report already, you know. I'm gonna make police pop up on the yard. What you mean? Me not feel bother with that. You see, hey. Today I win. Today I'm Monday. Me I give you until, me not even gonna give you until weekend. Me I give you until Wednesday. You see, if me not get me money by Wednesday, a problem. Oh, you go see, a problem. Just mark my word. And the police alone gonna come, and me and the police are gonna come. Cause me go direct them upon the day. Don't forget lock up, man. Don't forget tap you, man. A thief that you know. You owe me and a lie. Hey, no wait here. I'm money me I deal without you, so. I forget what to go somewhere else. As I was saying, hey, I can't deal with my customer. Come off my phone. Can you irritate me right now? Alright, bye. What you say I want?
It take so long for
Auntie, you might not give you nothing, you know. You might not chat about your bill higher and you not giving up to come out and shop on the day. You want to hear man up there deal with me more set of ways just because of you. If I never did that go, we gonna trust out you money. But if you man say your bill high, so
what on there? She chat me?
yes.
What she say about me?
She say your bill high, so we not get nothing to trust.
And we hear say the man by your FIFA.
The fever.
Mama no fever, a fever.
What if I want him?
So you say woman angle and triangle no?
Yeah,
My two niece them.
Yeah,
she angle and triangle.
Yeah.
And up to a one.
A one. Hello.
Sure.
I say for a longer time, me tell her say I'm me alone and mouth for, but you never have mouth. Why you never grab your woman? That's how me groom you.
She could grab the woman. The woman did that.
Yeah, what make you
Why
never
never
grab
grab
a
The woman
woman?
never stop her shop with me.
Listen me, shut
She
up
never
now.
run your time shop.
Shut up! Silence!
Auntie, when you talk to me, you have to turn down your volume.
Silence! Says who?
Says me.
When you forget to say I'm gonna take it crazy this off and listen to me, you know, my nieces, you know. Let me tell you, so when you go out and make some girl style and slap girl in their face, brawling, how in a trust or not trust. When you hear me, I tell you now, because I understand this little midget girl.
Pity tail.
You say you're ugly,
Me say.
eh? And you say you look,
Me
eh?
wonder if I run and make you
Not
talk.
even dog no one them when he dead. You say you look. Let me tell you, you know. Yes, you know what?
I run make you talk there something.
Problem they want always. What me say they want? Problem always.
So we are go.
Tell me something, man. Nobody no mess with my people them. Much less me. Go show no darkness.
And she come back with some PE.
Yo, Barry. To you. You drink too much rum. Me not tell you if you tap drink rum, Barry. Yo, you know say not easy. Rum a go kill you, know? You fit tappy.
Rum have a kill me.
Yo,
Because the girl you know
come
want
and chat to me. Another one.
What?
You not get the girl thing up, sir. You not get the girl up by bar.
Yo. That girl over by she does depend every time she want box food, bro.
Barry, yes, you
Me
know.
trust I shop when me go manage box food money.
Barry.
Me trust I shop already and me can't find money to pay.
Barry, you see what me I go say to you? Me not go say it until you say me sorry. Me I give the argument raw and with no apology. You see, you know, Barry, you're too slow. And that with you now. You know no speed for the girl. You need to watch Need for Speed. Listen, me now.
You want race then?
No, watch you, man.
You want race?
Watch you, man. Listen. You see, since you work like you don't want her. Barry, me get her then, Barry. I will see who can get her, Barry. But I chat to her. Barry, them the girl that love money. You see them the girl, you see if you not know money, you can't talk to them. And me and you know say not. Me no say not none, Barry. So you see when you go for them bar
you have fear low. Where you have fear low that the part?
No, because you're too stupid. And all along you look at girl and you not get her. I know me fed up on me. So me have to tell her to make you feel away. So when you go back in next time you know so you put in more effort. Barry, when you go up there, you need to go up there with some cutter. If I ever cut up some paper in your pocket. Because them the girl that love money. If you don't have money, you don't get them.
The girl, what day we go there? She asked me for 4 grand. Me I come on for a side up. A 4 grand we make. Oh, if you take up my 4 grand gear, when I want to drink, we will come on. I enjoy myself.
Alright, bye. Watch her now. Watch her. Give me her.
Oh, I go gear, I'm the guitar yet.
Barry, give me the girl, because you don't have no money, Barry. Give me the girl, man.
No work tomorrow, I deal with me, line up something for you. You have money?
You know me, I'm a 10 cent.
Alright, give me a money.
Give her money if you want.
You can go ahead.
No, but I know you're a woman, so you tell me something to give her money. If I did see her now,
no,
I sell her.
No, remember say me and her.
You didn't even own her and you want to sell her.
Remember say me and her close already. So if you come round our bar, you can't just say yo.
No, you have papers for her. You have papers. Remember when you sell people things, you have to have papers in there. If you sell more and car, you have to give me papers in there. You have papers for her.
No, man.
Barry makes sense. You drink some rum? You're drunk. I said then said that so.
You know what you set me so? Stop car every day you know. Want to me a rum. You know about cigarette. You see me I tell you say you set this up. Me like drink rum.
Barry,
rum calm down my heart level. That's calm. When me drink my rum, it come like say I gone in space.
I will leave a man. Me see you by shop. And me see them a get you. And me not see you get you. Eh?
No. Slow
as long as you're driving a KFC line, Barry.
Better than no progress. At all. That you have to always remember. You rather go slow than not go at all.
Aye. Look past Sabrina other day. When me pass down a cash pot shop. And Sabrina will never want me. We are telling me my belly big. And look now. When she find out some money big, at the same night she lay down in my bed. Look past that.
But the other week she find out take me.
What?
Take mine. You don't worry about that. You know me and Sabrina.
I don't worry, sir. Me go take you one from you up a bar. Because you move too slow. You come like a turtle. Me I go back on the road. Look about it. Look about it.
Alright.
Look about
Since
it.
you attack it, me I go borrow money and go up there. So we shall see.
I say, I like how you're dealing with it. You know how long me always come here and try to get in touch with you. I know where you're applying.
What that's supposed to mean?
I tell you one strong love for you for a long time.
I think love just comes up.
Mama, I love you from before you even have a shop. This I love you when I have fear. Now run out of stock like you put in the shop. You know me, I'm a 10 cent.
You think me not know say you want to marry a friend? How do you take this thing back? You want if this thing and you get the thing, you go to the kill this girl. You know why?
What is man? Why you return us so far?
Barry, what you know, man? Barry, you owe money? How much money Barry owe? Yo, Barry, you fit tap go a road and go on like you have money in your pocket and you are just a shop, you know. How much I'm bill? Tell me, me clear it.
4 grand.
4 grand.
You clearing bill?
Yo, I'm give you 5. Cause right now I'm there on 5 I.
Alright.
All this. Barry, you
Respect.
think I feel large out there in the
Respect.
street. Here, Barry.
Yeah, dey my man.
What, you know, man?
Respect here.
What, you know, man?
Make sure that you lend me to that.
Hey Barry, you see how him over the start going like him a mish? I want him, me have to tell you, know. Me a independent girl, me no walk and sponge pa nobody.
One thing I want to know is my bill clear now. That's the only thing I want to know.
And no, but no come back to my shop called trust you, come and trust you. And tell a relative them say, they not hey, no better make me load up. Tell a relative them say they not come back to my shop, come and I go give them nothing. Unless they had their money, and money me I deal with.
You know, say everybody go through hard time.
You ever go through hard time and what about for your life, so?
Mama, you see, man.
You sound like you're dead. You go take it wrong, woman.
No,
They almost kill you.
I run me a drink, I want party near must illegal or whatever. One night, I'll be drink.
That no concern me. Go tell a woman that. Where you really actually come here so far?
Me tell everyone when to me not have no woman.
Where you come here so far? You waste my time. Your bill pay. You can't go on now.
We can't build around.
For what?
I'm pretty good when you're lucky shop.
For why?
I'm strong.
Where?
Anybody come
You're strong and you sound like you're dead.
You never hear about Barry. You never hear
Go
about
push a
Barry.
wheelbarrow, man. Go on, man.
You know, say, nowadays, some man, I drive one little car come pick you up. Yeah, this me now. When I'm me used to there with you. Yeah, this
Why you watch me business for you not step your spoil?
When me help put up the zinc.
Hey, put up what? Hey.
You never like this Barry. But no what's on man I pick you up in a car. I don't know if why am I give you or what. But you get rank with me. You know, but it's alright.
You don't talk. You finish.
It is alright.
Go on your ways, man. Your bill pay. You can't go and me. I'll get extra.
You're gonna sour you. Watch. Remember, say me tell you.
I know you me want to sour me though. Go on, man.
Although my voice gone, remember, say me, Barry, tell you.
You can chat it up, but you not gonna be with the Prime Minister. Go on, man.
Alright.
No, what the hell me I do? What me I do with you? Me glad the bill paid.
Wagwan no current. Wagwan.
You know, so I don't like a style when I call you supposed to answer in a Barry though.
Current me up on the road, what you want me to do?
Anyways, no, you want to hear Wagwan? Miss, hey, listen, me too.
Oi. I open the mask here, yeah, beating the cat to me, you know.
Listen to me, Barry, just stop before you start a serious thing I go on right now. Me send me 2 niece them over Amanda shop to go trust something.
Who for job?
Over Amanda shop. And the girl go make me niece them know say, oh, she not trust this a woman you not and me not be send back me niece them to go and trust nothing. Tell me now, is this right?
Boy, me I tell you. So,
Barry,
you send them go Amanda shop. That's what I say. Karen, Current talk to me, no man, yeah, break up.
Mr. Barry, me send them go to Amanda shop to go trust. Where you now here? I'm telling you, open up my ears.
Listen me no man. Listen me no. Me the oil bill down there.
Jesus Christ, Barry, not tell me say. Not tell me.
Yeah, see why
You're not clear
me
now.
done
You're
talk
Barry.
no? Me done talk no? I owe $11,000. And today I make a money and I just go down there and dash that in their face and pay my bill. You see me? Cause you know me stay already. Me no go around people, me pay my bill them. Anytime I come on, when me trust, me go pay my bill. You understand? Because them go on and talk to me, oh this and oh that. So I go on there and say, how much more you? And count out my money and throw your right account and say, mark out my name. No.
Barry,
So,
me can't say nothing to you, me know you stay. Barry, me know you stay. Me not wait to sit for them bill so long and until they feel like they want to come stand. Me tell you now, Barry. Barry, I'm tell you right now, me I go over and get a car. You know, well,
yeah, go over there now.
Tell me, show me a drip, me look special, and but me look first one girl feel like they can stand me over them. Me I go no. Me I got
Here where you do.
time.
Here where you do now. You good on, man. You good on there. Let's drink anything you want. Here.
Drink anything you want, Barry.
Yeah.
You know, make them come kill me before time here, Barry.
Listen me now.
Hey,
Listen me
Barry.
now. Karen, me your brother. And you know me no lie when it come on to certain things. Just go down there and tell them, so Barry say, drink anything, me so come pay for that.
Alright, risk.
Yeah, let's go and drink some beer. Me soon circle.
Barry, me have something for you tonight, you know.
You have a cat for me?
Ooh, she getting me on face, so I know and this one look clear.
Me tell you already, stop look me. Me and your family, stop look me.
I do me and make me down, Barry. I joke.
Stop doing something, man.
Barry,
You
me have
know
one
it.
nice brownie for you, no, Barry, but you are going now. You have to pay for your service. Cause so you get the cat, so you get the kitty, and so you have to give me some good discount to me don't have complain
Yo,
right now.
you see now? You see now? You see me every day. Just go along there now and drink anything. Tell them say Barry say you just drink anything. Me circle you.
Alright,
Yeah,
brother,
me I go
later.
put on some clothes and something.
Barry, me and your sister and brother, you know, I know you still in love, trust people them things, but I don't want to trust me.
Listen me now, man.
I don't like you drunk.
Me pay my
Later,
bill.
love you.
Alright, big up yourself. Go lay down sleep, boy.
Hello. But if you understand what I want.
Awa,
Why you look for me so far?
is what?
Janko dead for me?
I
Like a
can't try to
dopey?
figure out.
Like a dopey?
I try to figure out
Eh?
why you come.
Why you get a dopey? You say the dopey are
Girl.
pretty. I want to know what I want. Why
What
you dealing with
want?
me niece them so today? Hey, dirty girl, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something, dirty girl. You see how Barry come pay and bill today? You can't give me no chat.
Hey, pause.
You can't give me no chat.
Pause. I know Barry paying bill, girl.
I will pay bill.
Oh.
I will pay bill.
Barry don't have dry shit in her ass.
So I will pay bill.
Right.
Who pay bill?
Any friend? I'm friend paying bill.
Girl, stop trying to tell lie for my brother. Drunk crow. Stop trying to tell lie for my brother.
Where come you
Crow
suffer?
beard. Stop trying to tell
You
lie for my
just
brother.
got interrupt me eating. What is wrong with you?
So which part the food I go?
Now worry yourself.
Which part the food I go? Which part the
You're
food I
blind.
go? Jesus.
Are you blind?
Lord
You're
God.
blind? Okay, where really actually come you suffer?
Where food I go? No, listen to me now. I'm telling you, I see them come for. So go feed them now and put them here so. Yes, so.
Hello,
Yes,
you
so
see,
me want
if you,
them.
you know why, the only reason why me gonna give them are because I bill pay. You see, if you never pay, you couldn't come here, so come run off your mouth.
Anything Barry say goes. Go
Oh,
feed some of them, put it here so.
Anything you say,
Anything Barry say goes. Go feed them and put them here so. I'm done now talking, girl, because bad girl too, they on the talking thing. Go on for the things them, right?
you come here, so beg, and you come with bad
Put
news.
them here so.
Beg, you come here, so beg, you know.
Beggars have no choice, but me have choice.
Beg, you come here, so beg.
They say beggars have no
Imagine.
choice, but me have choice to them. Boy!
One best
Oh,
one
yeah.
day when you come on my shop, you go dead if you hungry.
Dead if you
You
hungry.
never yet a fool of your
I
yard.
rebuke your mouth.
Sir.
I rebuke your mouth. puke your mouth drunk. Boy, you come and go style me niece. I'm outside I eat.
Come, feel this thing, yeah. Come, take
Put
it.
it yourself. Yourself, come in done with it yet. Come back this up. Put it yourself. Oh, sir, no fear time it.
What your problem?
What you mean by one problem?
Why your issue?
Girl,
You get your grocery them. Go on your yard.
Touching on my face, no. Shut, but don't make a, hey, girl. Don't make a sour spit catching on my face.
What is your problem?
Me say, don't make a sour spit catching on my face.
Hey, man,
Come
I'm talking with you, you know. What do you?
Mister, me no know what do you. From other day, you
what you see do me?
Dirty, say, me no know what do you know.
What you see do me?
Me understand it.
What you see do me?
Girl, listen to me. You see, if I never go in there so and carry out there, so me I come, me show you what this a rum drinking girl make out of here.
Hey,
Come on. You want to say something? I tell me if you come go and me I go, you see what
I got something if you do.
Eh? But you know something I move. All right.
You're not to move, you know. You're not to move. You can't stand up yourself. Me gonna finish eating my chicken. You are right.
You know, see, I never chicken to the favorite chicken. Girl, come kick. Hey.
Hey.
Girl.
Come.
What?
Come go your yard.
Touch me. How do this girl? Watch out.
Hey, me wet you up, you know. Come go your yard. Come go your yard.
Wet me up.
You not go your yard.
Wet me up.
Awa.
Wet me up.
I felt to come here something.
No, Mr. Wet me up, Amanda. Wet me up.
Hey! Oh, no, see me dying trial. Hey, come go your yard.
Wet me up, Amanda. Make her get the bust up your face, girl. Wet me up.
You think my friend? You think my
Wet
friend?
me up. Mr. Wet me up.
You think my friend? You see, two me now want police come lock down my shop. Come go your
Hey,
yard.
girl, if I hear about me, police free of me. Brighty.
Oh, make your man. Are you whosoever him be? Never pay him bill.
Watch a
You
girl.
know you see.
Whoa.
Why would you have a corned beef? Cause that's all you feed on corned beef. That's why you're red like it.
Look at girl. Hey.
Hey, me not time for you. Me not time for you. Why on your
You
ways?
never hear about Camille. Camille clean her body, girl. Her body need purge. Kiss me.
Feel more needy. Cause you're maga.
Oh.
Jesus, you're so
Oh.
man.
Girl, I seen this around the place. Your body now say rrr. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Hello! Hello!
How much excitement for?
Remember what the excitement for? Let me tell you something, you know. I say anything me says goes. So you see, oh, me go over there. And I say, Mama, put on what me forget now. Cause Barry clearing bill, you know. Barry clearing bill. So me don't know what some girl feel like.
Auntie,
So,
me can't take it talking. Me hungry. You see, hungry put me to sleep. I get you something then?
alright.
Me say Barry pay bill. Uncle Barry get money from pay bill.
Yeah, Uncle Barry get money to pay a bill. You know, Uncle Barry. Barry have his money, you know.
Where get it from?
Even though we know my
Teeth in my
teeth.
teeth. Same thing.
See, you could even though we know my teeth. And he have his friend there we are par with him. I wonder if my friend pay
Look
bill.
for the time.
Yeah, me know.
I left from 450.
Yeah, me
And
know.
now it's 756.
So what you gonna do?
Eh?
And you say as I go up there, go say run the thing you get it. Go and go cook. Me even want to hear your story.
Me go they got this girl phone. Me go they got this girl phone.
No, this girl for you, this girl for yourself. Go
So how would I get this?
just go cook your food.
Cause
Just
Barry
that
pay a
fine.
bill. That's how come they could have get it. Cause Barry pay a bill. And Barry never pay a bill. Me know
But
the
one of the people
man.
Uncle Barry pay that bill there. All them do a teach people, mark them back.
That's true.
God.
Me agree with you, that's true. Me cook your food
Yeah,
for you.
cook your food.
You want pepper in there?
Yes.
I'm
Alright.
sure it's free.
Alright.
Wait, when I done.
All the light is stove again.
What do you hear?
Then you can't cook if you can't like
No, me can't see so good. Call one of the call light is
Auntie,
stove.
loud the stove.
Huh?
Yeah, well, me alright. Me drink the water and go sleep. Me make some.
Auntie, turn on
Alright, I
the
know.
light, turn on the light.
Alright.
Look here.
Auntie, I go back and run.
You know, I could give food.
Hey, Mr. One of call light is stove coming out. See so good say I rum.
So go on back and run. Go on back and run. No space for the affair right now. You irritate me right now.
I might put out the two on the bonus space today for me.
Yeah.
Auntie, what's the auntie light the stove? Auntie, see the stove light, the stove
Remember
light.
when Jennifer did say if you come out and me beg her for your tan in here?
Oh, auntie, this is so black. Let's
Put me out and see. It's true I wish I out and do Uncle Barry them up out.
Auntie, cook the food, auntie. Cook the food.
Me
hungry, man.
I don't like this house. I'm gonna have to light here for your
Here I go now. I catch you all the way at fire nap tonight.
Catch
long
who?
there. No, long there. Show you something. Ah, Jesus. See what I done. We can't call Jacob. No. I want them two little dirty girl, man. For me send them a shop and all, they just walk out so. You know what? Let me call Jacob woman first. Because I'm a waste of time. Boy, one thing is I gotta take long for answer him phone, so I don't like his style, you know. Marika! Where you going with? Boy, I don't know what really are going with me, my girl, but where are they? I need to talk to you about some personal stuff, so right now more you can check me, God know. Girl, me just don't know what really are going on with me right now. Things just Marika, just go and check me. Me don't run on my yard. Please me I beg you, I need to talk to you. I'm gonna take too long. Eh? Oh, okay. So I will jack him there. Alright, just forward. Why? I thought you and Jack start killing with bone.
Good evening.
Wagwan.
You there,
There, man.
So, where did I say important now?
You know what I say in our real life?
Hold on there. I want to tell you, I'm a rum.
I see this a little honey, but it only not strong enough for clear up my stomach because it will change.
Oh.
Hey, your stomach son?
Yeah.
No, girl, rum? No, sir.
Hush, man. Come in, no, say you're not a rum drinker and then sit there. Hush.
Anyways, no. You know what I say? Me I come from far, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Jacko. What is really wrong with Jacko?
What you mean?
Listen to me now. Remember saying no? Jacko left 2 greyback girls for me. And no, the 2 of them have no manners. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Jacko send money, no get me wrong. But Jacko not send enough money to feed them.
What?
Yes!
But
listen up. Jacko I send 10,000 for you week. 10,000 can mind the 2 little girl them.
But
can you what go on? The 2 little girl them want essential things, right? They want roll-on, they want perfume, they want pads, they want they look stuff there, right?
Yeah.
Lotion and them something there.
But in time
Shave and them something there. Good amount of money. So by the time I buy them sitting there, how much I think it come to?
more than $10,000.
Okay, and then the food not add on to it. And the two little giant girl they not have no manners.
No,
And I
man.
could have never meet her until they take care of her because I have pride, dignity, and standards. So
Of course, because I know so you're a hard-working woman. I don't know if you was a bad person one day, something day.
Thank you, Mrs. Sister Ella. So, all Jacob finance send enough money come, and me have to take care of myself.
Me have to go talk to him because I don't understand what really
Mr. Marika, a little girl they can nyam. One time I wonder if they want to nyam me too, and I can't nyam because I pay a bone this, me not have no flesh for them to nyam me.
So then terrible?
Yes, and last night, now me tell them say, listen, I go cook bully beef and white rice, but the money ain't really there.
Yeah.
You understand? Because Jacko him know. Me don't understand what kind of two responsibility he left for me and me make three. Jacko not the right thing, so me send the two little girl them say fi go trust. One bully beef, 2 pound of rice.
Yeah, trust.
Little aisle, little. I may show you how things gone bad for me. Jacko, you have to go down. If me catch a Jacko, me go deal with the case because
But me never know
Jacko,
say all of this a go on. Because in time me say send good amount of money to you. Me never know say a $10,000, but in time me say a 13 cents to you. So me have to go talk to him because me can't believe saying lie to me. Really?
girl, if you only know how Jacko lie, you're along with him. Jacko is a liar man. And then people are content about oh, me and Jacko favor. Which part of me and Jacko favor, eh? Which part of me and that little dirty man favor? Me and the little dirty man no favor. Anytime we walk around and people say, well, my brother, I'm going this one him. I'm going to ask, say, who is my brother, which brother I talk about? Because the last time I checked, the one of my love, they overseas. And I him a take care of me. Jacko not take care of me.
Alright, it's alright. Probably something go wrong because the 13 cent probably send off or something. But me believe you still. Me believe you.
But alright.
Yeah,
you believe me, alright, right? Yeah. If Jacko say send 30, it would do so bad.
Yeah.
But Jacko send same. And Jacko not take care of his sister. Jacko not say, one little 15,000 and get yourself some little things like do be a hard work.
15,000 for you?
Yeah!
No, me not say, but you know work.
That no matter me no work at time. Remember say it two little face girl let me know, then two little black girl in the car. Me no understand all Jacko brown and them black. Listen, me brown and Jacko brown and them woman are black.
Remember say enough for Jacko pitney them.
No.
And responsibility.
Yeah, but I feel him then. When he take up responsibility, I feel him. Because at him, then call daddy.
Yeah, but you
understand?
bring complexion in it now because I don't feel them. So
well, Jack of start telling people them their responsibility take up. Anyways, no, I'm tired of it. If Jack not go stand like a man and send more money come give me.
Alright.
Go put out there and two little girls because they don't have no manners. They don't have no manners. Last time I tell them go catch a place of fire with me and them.
No,
because here we go on. I tell them to come light this stove for me. Because really and truly me didn't feel so good. So I say come light this stove for me. I could have dropped down over this stove. You hear them all tell me say, Auntie, you can't cook. You can't cook. Where you come from and I face themselves with me. So I tell them to come boom up your house with me and them. So listen to me Just talk to your man. Tell me say if he can send at least $50,000 for a month.
How much? 50,000, why you send 50,000 to you? That not fair.
Girl.
You better you said 30.
30 way.
Or 25.
30 way.
50,000.
You put my money on it? Me say if you put my money on it, you call my money on it?
Remember say a big girl them, a big girl them. So what you talk about?
Alright. Me go take out back every money when me spend. And Jacko have to go pay back.
Alright,
so you see every money when me pay for roll jars and clothes, he ma go pay back. Because here we go now. And I like say me not do,
Alright,
me not do what I want good at. Me do what I want good at.
Check up everything and you can send it to me.
By the time I check, Jacko have to pay me $1 million.
Send it to me,
Sure.
not Jacko.
Yeah.
Send it to me. Okay? When me go, me go talk to Jacko and hear what happens because me not understand what really are going on. So.
You don't understand, Jacko is a
Me
wicked
can't
man.
believe so Jacko tell me like, and he tell me saying that the amount of money there. But anyway, me see you later here. Me I talk to Jacko.
And tell him to come control him mongrel them coming on where they gone.
Alright, me tell him to contact to them. So have a wonderful day.
If them are the Chihuahua and Pitbull lag you do so bad, but them a mongrel, tell him come control him mongrel them. Later me girl.
Alright, later.
What like him man even not spend for you neither. You know, so Jacko a wicked man. Jacko yes just send $30,000. But Jacko, you know we send more than $30,000. What is this? Jacko, you have to go down today. When we don't scandal and name my brother and sister, you have to go down. Nonsense.
What now?
You want to give me a heart attack? You want to give me a heart attack?
Me there, so sit down. I'm figure one get heart attack or what?
You two look up in them with your sister, look, boy. Who for them?
Why? So why we go back over this again?
Your sister called me today. Say me must come up her yard.
For my sister call you.
Yes. She called me. And me go up there and I pity them and tell me about say they not even look like you and something, they look like jacket and something. And me I said to her, I said, why she has said that and the pity them are not for you? Who for the pity them?
Alright, calm down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. How you feel now?
I can't believe that you have picked me and tell me why you do this to me.
Listen to me. Relax. I don't have no picnic.
So why your sister?
I have people I am responsible to take care of. It's just simple as that. And we don't know how my sister fear tell her all these things that make you jeez and pity must. What can really go so? Alright, listen. What you call it and tell us and calm down. Inhale, exhale. You want me go for the pump?
Yeah, go for the pump. No. Talk to me first. Let her go for the pump. What you say now?
What my sister tell you say? Just give me the direct details. Cause that the girl, I don't know what is her problem. I don't know why she don't really even say something. I think for bring you down to this level. She don't understand. See, you're short of heartish. Eh?
Listen, your sister called me and said she want to talk to me. Emergency. I feel her come over here. When me go over your sister yard, your sister go say to me, say, you not give her no money or give her 10,000.
Huh?
So me remember, say, you tell me say send her $30,000 fee, two pitney them, right? She say I tell her send her and they not give her no money for herself. You have to give her at least $15,000 for herself. You pitney them one roll on, then one pad, then one all type of panty, everything.
Alright.
And she even say I feel you pitney them.
She said, no, don't believe her. You know, say I had go and come. Remember, say, our uncle went kind of sick in her head, you know, walk a street, a damn out of garbage bin and something there. I hold him, and give him to a bad injection and calm him down. And when I hold him and bathe him, he went sick extra. And then after that, then send him go foreign. And then pump 2 more injections on him and him seem like he's alright.
You sure?
So why me I tell you like?
Remember, me have heart problem.
Relax, man, calm down now. Calm.
Take me like this. Because me and come and me nearly drop down on the road, you know.
So I leave her. So I. God, Jesus. So you leave her then say inhale. Inhale.
Alright, me calm down now.
Put it on your back. Put it yes.
Jesus. Yeah,
How you feel now?
I feel
If you take out a little heat out of you.
Mm-hmm.
You feel much better?
Yeah, me feel better. What you say happen now? What you say happen now?
What me I say is this. You can't make for me dirty sister change your mind and make you feel like say all of me I tell you and not so you go.
I try
Come
me
know
can't
say
have picnic make all of this happen to me.
Lord of mercy. I never say it out of my mouth. I never say it this time, so you can't cuss me tonight and say I'm me when say it. I know me say you can't have picnic in your barren. I know me. You understand? So left you alone. And top go on so. You see it? Now me have to go good on there now and talk to her. Eh? And ask her why she's trying to kill you off. And you know me too look at that. Lord. No, man, me take them for my daughter. No. Me take them. No, me take them for my daughter. Me take them for my daughter. Me two little girl them. Me want. Me go back for leave. Me go pick our next leave. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Alright. And put your hand back, yourself. How you feel? Feel much better?
Yes.
Alright.
What you say happen now?
Listen, in life you have to understand there are circumstances and there are situations, right? Now, in this circumstance, I basically take the responsibility of taking care of these two little kids. You know, see, they don't look like me. You know, see, say, oh, them feel them black like a tar. And the one named Riri, film head look like a ants. I know, I mean look like a ants.
But you're not good quality.
Me look like a ants. And me never talk about hair, me say quality skin.
But you're black and not like you're brown.
No, but them, you see this one named black and this one named brown. Black, but it's not about the skin, it's the color. Listen to me, I say, understand me, I say, and stop me and talk things I mean. I am saying to you that we're different. You understand me, I say? So stop going with this thing, man. Me there, I'm cook your favorite food, shrimp and rice. Eh? With corn on the side. I'm cut up a country pepper them right neat for you. You understand me, I say? Because I say doctor say more pepper you get, it better for your heart. You understand? So me have it secure. So me know why you come here and I think about this. I gonna go down there, I go talk to hey, I might go to prison for that girl tonight, you know.
No, just relax.
But me no want she do this to you.
But did he send her money?
How you mean? How much she send me I'm sending her?
$10,000.
50, 10, well?
10,000. She said I must give her 15 for herself and some things not add up yet and something. At least she want 5 or 160 a month.
Alright, listen to me, I say. You take your time and go along in. Pick up 12 leaf them and put right on your pillow. You understand? And then later we talk. Alright? Alright, honey?
Yeah.
I want thing with you. I love the vaccine, you know, do you hear? And, you know, you're a natural empress. That I think me like. You know, rub your skin now rub on it sitting there. You understand? You know, I inject your lip and then sitting there. Me like that something, man. Natural. So me I say, just go on in and relax yourself, man. Alright? But if you shave your arm, and your hand if you shave, me tell you where something there already. I mean, I tell you where else to shave. Because it cut me up. You understand?
Yeah.
And enough time I have to go to doctor for doctor. And doctor wonder what I'm going. I have to tell him say I fight.
Fight.
Yeah, I tell you if I fight, I fight. I zip. Me have to make up some excuse and same thing. Go and go eat the food now. Go and make your food get cold.
Alright, me I go in. Make sure you say go down your sister and go talk to your
Me
sister.
go talk to her, man. And as me say, don't bother about them two little girls. Alright? Just take time and go and don't make your food get cold, man.
Alright, and sometimes I can make them come up and come and spend a little time too.
Them?
You know? Yeah, wrong.
We know how it go already. And you and them just can't agree and we know that already. You understand? I am doing the best I can because I don't want them mash up what we have. And what we have is special. You understand? No cream crackers. And life sweet!
Come give me that over.
Alright. But you have to aisle your hair. Your hair because it get look a bit
Alright.
too cautious. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh God, this is a dirty mongrel. Matter of fact, I go down.
I say a word, man. Me and my friend Barry are going shell down over there. Look, come on.
Hello.
Aye.
Hello.
Where are you dealing now? You can't tell me say auntie send it to me, because me auntie in a business.
Hello, you get me number off a TikTok and you don't stop text me phone. Me need to text me phone cause
Time talk. You can't do that. Remember say you're young, man, I want nobody
Who
here
young?
talk, so you know.
me pass is a consent, me dear.
Aye, here what
Anyways,
what you say?
me say why you text me phone? Me don't want to waste my life, you know.
What, gentleman? What you mean waste, man?
I don't want
Mama,
no
listen me. You see my thing large.
Me never ask
My-
anything large.
No, listen me, I say no. You feel like say a Barry clear off bill. And me clear off the bill down a shop where your auntie can name food, you know.
Are you clear?
What, gentleman? I know why you going like you can style me, you know. You how much?
Me 19.
So now that you have to tell me how long. Listen to me, I tell you. If you from me there, me take my money and give you. What, gentleman? Hold on. What?
So give me all of this.
So 4,000 there. Just buy yourself a beer. At a chum change. I told me now hold it for cash in my pocket. Me have to go and match.
So you say, yeah.
No, me now hold it for cash in my pocket and I have to go and machine. So you see next time I see you, see all this hairstyle you need to pull it out. You see anything you want down at shop, just go down there and tell them say, me Willie send you down there. Just create a bill down there and me pay your feet. My name big down there.
Me not deal with more talk or action me deal with.
So what me just do a while ago?
That's a little bit of money that can't help me.
No, but me I tell you say, I show me that
I
for
tell
go
you,
and
I
match
tell
me.
me. You not show
No,
me the
listen.
action.
Me can't give you my card, mama.
So give me now, no?
Get it.
I don't want it.
Me I go pay for something down here.
You too lie.
Check you. No, me I pay for something down here so for you and me come back and check you. But just like me, hold on, come. Your TikTok me have just
Me take
put
it.
your number in it. Me no take them the trust to put a number in it. I go text you here.
Alright.
What, gentlemen?
Daddy Jacko.
No. Me not really want you shout out certain things, guys. Remember, say I don't really want a good community this year.
Oh, Daddy, you know what say? You know say Auntie Karen not top garum bar in garum bar and them what the whole drink of the whole line money.
Me know say that's how you go. But
All the next one day.
who that, Shan?
Yeah.
What am to her?
Sure. He not go to school and not take him book and me wanna go to school.
What?
And Auntie Karen have her in her house and don't make she go to school.
Why at least one hour can really turn to something good. Here me go have to go do. Cause right now I don't carry me go. But where you go?
Eh?
Where you go?
Are you me a come to?
Me I come to?
Yeah.
You never look like me I come to, you know.
Yeah, are you me that come to for true?
But for me laying there over there, so.
No, here, sir. Me can't walk here, so. Daddy, me can't walk here,
For me
so.
laying there over there, so.
Me can't walk here, so.
Me can't trust you, Riri. Me
You
can't
said
trust
you
you.
already so.
Me
Already so
even
me always
wanna
walk.
have to turn on to something good in life, you know, even one.
Auntie Karen.
Alright, listen, Auntie Karen is a rumhead. Me know that already.
Me say last night, oh God, he make you woman down and shop disgrace we.
Who that?
The woman who won the shop down there, so. Cause he said we don't go trust.
Lord of mercy.
Cause the girl run back go buy fever, Daddy. You know much is fever? Yeah.
Vibes Cartel happy, I know. Alright, listen me I say. What you need to do for me is just maintain the peace with Auntie Karen and Shan, are you the most listen to me I say, man, you're the most responsible one. You're
Yes,
the only
sir.
responsible one. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
And you don't really have to call me daddy. You can't say Jacko.
Jacko.
Jacko, just a Jacko.
Alright, Jacko.
Yeah, just a Jacko. Because you're a big girl, you know.
Yeah.
You're 19-year-old, you know. A long time you having about normal them 7 years 18 if you go along and do no work and sitting.
Auntie Karen.
Alright.
Then if you talk to her, she need to load the rum drinking.
Me can't stop her from drink. Only me can't stop
But
her.
she a use the money what she use buy food. It a eat shit with a rum
That me
bar.
want to talk to you about now. What me go do is me go still give her what she forget and me have to go now full of money. You can balance the money?
Yes, daddy.
Make
Yes,
sure-
Jacko.
Jacko.
Cause like how me see her now, I be a mosquito by me.
Me
Like
know.
how me see her now, me not have bother come to you, so me I go back down. So where I go?
Let me
Jacko.
tell you something, I go down a
So come on.
No, what you need to do is make me chat to her first.
Okay.
And then you can forward.
So
See?
me fi go.
Me I go down so now, but me I tell you what I want from yes so. So me know you feel like saying you understand what to do. You answer me I say?
Alright, Jacko.
You ready? Even though when you call me Jacko, you sound like you're manners, you know, because you say Jacko.
Jacko.
No, don't bother with that. Come. Ready, let's go.
How that? How that? Huh?
Jacko.
Jacko, where you there? Jacko, where you come for? Give me money, come. Where you flash me keys for? Jacko, give me the money. For money you come to give me.
Alright, let me tell you this now. You know, say the woman can't breathe. And me tell her, say, I know for me picking them because she can't breathe. And you know, I go tell her, say, I go talk about the picking them. And you know what I want already. So me have to make she feel, say, I just take care of picking them. Why you taught them something there? Me send her 75,000 every month. Oh, you gone back and drink again?
Jacko.
You,
Jacko. You see, when I talk, just not make a spit touch me. And you see, when I raise your hand, no make that even breeze brush past me. Because, Jacko, some things I'm on there right now, me, brother, hey, me will kick up on your back, you know? Me will kick up on your back. Now play with me, Jacko. Jacko, let me tell you something now.
remember, say, me hold you so. From your picking up until now. You see how big me and them be? Or you gonna butt me? Yeah, eh? I buck you and butt me?
Jacko, listen to me. Me show you something this evening. I show me under my eye and my tackle hands here. Jacko, let me tell you something. Jacko, let me tell you something, Jacko.
Smell the rum. Smell the damn rum. Smell the damn rum. Eh? 75,000 me give every month.
Jacko, we 75.
Karen. 75,000 me give every month for them two hungry belly picking them when me tell you what I go on. No, this woman that come on me here that create problem. I go to me for
75,000 is not enough, Jacko.
do what?
You need
To do
to
what?
send 100,000, Jacko. Jacko send 100,000. Jacko, when I send the 75, the rest, if you make up the 100,000, you need to give it to me. Jacko, my energy and time, I waste on them. When me for the out, me can't the out, me have to babysit them. And I'm a big girl, Jacko. You want them breathe before time, Jacko? If them breathe before time, you know, Jacko. Them pin they'll come in for me, you know. And Jacko,
you know say
you know what more you da spending time
you
with?
know say Riri don't like you though.
Me know.
Why she not like you?
I'm not like Riri.
Why you think she don't like you?
Because she see you just like me and she can't stand me.
Because she hears say you have stop off a shop, a bar, and a gamble out the money. As we give the money, so you gamble out $50,000 and use 25,000 just to give them little lunch money to go to school. God,
So Jacko.
God, I'll strike you again.
Yay!
God, I'll strike you.
What? God will strike who?
You.
God will go strike you.
See what?
You see the locks there? God will go strike them. And you see when God strike their locks there, You go see how they look bright and outside. They look
Judgment.
like a madman.
Judgment upon you.
Judgment and lightning and thunder down upon you. Yeah. Drunk crow.
Listen to me now.
Probate.
It is about time now we have a civil conversation. And it's about time now you understand, say, you have to give up certain life. You can't so corrupt. You take a picnic. I bet start tell. I bet tell how much money you really get. Alright, you know what I'm gonna start though? Me I go get Riri the money for maintain the house, yeah.
Alright, hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there.
Oh yeah, do.
Give Riri money then.
Yo,
Give Riri, put it back in.
Alright.
This is for Shanice and this is for Riri.
Alright.
You can't do buy them a good proper suitcase.
Alright.
Give Riri money now. Don't step up. Don't give me at least 95,000. I see if they not come out. You want to play with me? Jacko, you want to play with me? You know who me be, really be? You want to play with Jacko? Huh?
Yo,
Jacko.
don't make a spit touch me. Don't make a spit touch me.
Jacko, if they spit
Don't
a
make a
touch
spit.
you, if they spit a touch you, you start going good in a bed with the woman. Bright and outside, brighty. Hey, Jacko, don't play with me now, Jacko. Jacko, me realize, say, you come a call lamp on me hand them like see you want to pop me little maga hand them. Jacko, me ring this. Jacko, me say me ring it. Jacko, don't play with me now. Jacko, you know, say, me a little sister, but you know, say, nothing wrong with come a little bit, but me talawa. Jacko, give me 95,000 a month time, and me not call the phone none time till the next month.
So if we give 95,000, how much them I get for themselves?
Jacko, me I go give them 80,000 and keep the rest.
Why if my brother have to go and foreign and live, man? Me know some brother do a better job. I just because a woman and can't breathe, you know. And me not really want to hurt her feelings and a good woman.
Jacko,
you understand? Because she not do her hair, she not do her toe, she not do her nails, she not drink a rum bar, she go to church, she pray for me.
Jacko, you see me pitney?
She not even want yam chicken.
Jacko, you see me pitney? You see me care about woman can't breathe? Me say,
no, but me I say, it's the only reason why me and you in a business I do that because of she. And me really don't want to say, boy, me I go tell her, come I know how she go deal with it.
Then Jacko, if you know.
Because me here say she's sick with it in jam heart and heart weak. You understand? And a good woman take care of me.
So since as a good woman, why you not take the pin in my curve over there? Why you give me the responsibility? Why you give the remedy, the corrupt one, me the pin in them?
It's not about that. It's about the facts. Say, me know say, Shan is not a cup of cake what can live with. I know that. We have a time when her brain gonna spoke, gonna moan and come back. And that is the problem. And it's just that. I mean, know say sometimes it's hard to say, me no want to live with them, but them are gonna mash up my life. And that they go do. Because the first thing Shanisa says, step a sitting where you walk on. How you feel say that in front of a woman? Me if you go propose to a woman, really take a ring and...
So why Shanice go when they come tell the people exactly what I tell her? I tell Mr. Shanice, you don't have no step away walk on. Shanice really go and tell people step away walk on. Jesus Christ.
So you tell him to tell him?
No, me only I said to Shanice, you know, step is what you walk on. We don't deal with step more than when we are take down on and Shanice.
Alright, Eva, listen, I can't afford what you're talking about. Because I have some work that come up. So if I somebody case, I can only step it up to 55,000. That's it for right now.
How much?
55,000. That's it. I can't do no better. Because it's
Jacko, come out. Jacko, come out. Come out. Jacko, come out, you know. Come out. 55,000, that even 65.
Karen, you know how I stay already, you know. A certain thing, I put on in the Karen. I put it down, you know. Don't bother the foolishness. You hear me, I say? All right.
Afraid of you? Like afraid of you?
Go pull on your...
Rasta boy, go put on that yourself. No, too.
Why your room?
Look, yo.
Why your room smell, sir?
My room smells, so I have to girl them. Then I clean up in here. And me have to do everything. You come and go and chat.
So, you don't use a disinfectant. It smells like somebody left a garbage for 2 weeks. No, sir.
Go check it big house sitting there when you left in there. I'm not flush that.
Alright, listen to me, I said. Do not call back no man phone. Do not call by my woman phone. You hear me I say to you? Simple as that. 55,000.
55, your, hey, you say, me never see your mother, me tell you about your mama. Oh. Do me like, you know, as some want sweep, you know, sweep out, you know, nastiness, because I like, you know, drunk crowd. Now, open my door, I can't let me sweep out that door. Where you come from, little girl?
Me go.
Move away, where you say me want you for there? Where you come from? Sit down over bed.
No fear.
Where you come from?
Me go up there so.
Where Shande?
Me show anybody photo one time. Me don't know where they.
So now big woman now.
No, Shani tell me to meet him somewhere, but when we reach our place, never see him. He never show up.
Never show up.
Never show up.
Never show up.
He never show up.
So your man yard, Shan gone. Man your yard, you go look for Shan. Man yard.
Daddy Jacko. Me go. What him?
You go for Daddy Jacko. You show say no Maka yard you go. And he joke you. Me say if you show say I no Maka yard you go and he joke you.
No, me sure. Daddy Jacko.
Where you say you go for Jacko go do?
Me go talk to him.
What? Talk to Jacko say what?
Hey, be a rum bar you go.
Little girl. You go up at Jacko yard, go tell him, say, I be a rum yard, rum bar me go.
Yeah.
So what you for? What you for? Rum drinker, Stacky.
Yeah, Stacky.
Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see if I stand up here, say in front of me.
You tell me
No.
Argy. Go and call Shan and see which passion they.
What you mean by me to call Shan and go see which passion they? What you mean by that? Me did tell you to fill up yard?
Me go.
So you go up at thinking Jacko.
What
go call up my name and scandalize it. So what you go tell Jacko say?
Me tell him say you gotta be a rum, you gotta take your money buy. And you buy fever. You buy fever last night.
Buy fever, I'm a fever,
like
I'm a don't know.
cool.
I'm a fever, I'm a don't know. I'm a fever, I'm a don't know. Let me tell you something, you know. Sometimes I wonder if Jacko and father. Sometimes I have to wonder, this minute in one, no, and the next minute in this one. You know what
I mean by that?
In a real life, una jacket.
What jacket?
Let me tell you, you and Shan a jacket.
Then why just throw me away?
You and Shan a jacket because the last time I checked, me and Jacko come from pretty hair breed. And no enough and Shan head not pretty.
So
no mama here pretty.
Yeah, I know.
No mama here pretty.
Well, me get me great grandmother here.
Which great grandmother here I get? Cause last time I checked for me and Jacko great granny here. Indian girl, look at this. Look at the baby hairs on here. What them there show me? A cream, I forgot cream, I make it like a somebody. And let me tell you something, you know. You see, if I pass your place one more time with me now,
you know, be Chan,
me, I make sure say,
yeah.
You see the little scandal bag where you have yourself.
Time you there, you talk. Caution and find out which part she there.
Caution and find out which part she there. Caution and find out. How this ya? How which number this ya? I'm not answer change number, you know.
What if I shall?
Hello? Yes, this is Karen. Talk fast now. Me then I want a situation, you know. Talk fast. What? What do you mean by girl you can't find, Shan? Jeez. Me a come now. Jesus Christ. So your father Shan go take man. Me? And now they can't find. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, you know. If you don't feel like say, you not gonna mash up a little money when me and make friend Jack no make a sad mistake.
What kind of money?
Hello, go on. Are you fi go on? Where's something? Go.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in